Did you know that when you need to go and putting off bowel movements can worsen constipation, which then aggravates the hemorrhoids? Also, elevating your feet a bit with a step stool as you sit on the toilet changes the position of the rectum in a way that could allow for easier passage of stools. Presenting the We Care Bamboo Squatting Toilet Stool. This toilet stool is made of high-quality natural bamboo with super thick board, which is more sturdy and environment-friendly than a plastic stool. This collapsible toilet stool doesn't need any insulation. The foldable design saves you time and avoid annoying installation. It is very convenient to store, just fold or expand. To fold, just press and hold the button, then put down the templates of both sides. This collapsible toilet stool has both non-slip pad to ensure safety. It has sturdy and durable structure to give you trust for safety. This bathroom stool for toilets can ease conditions such as constipation, hemorrhoids, and more by giving you a correct sitting posture, and it brings a healthier and smoother way to go. This can be used by adults and children.